Welcome to the Car Truth. Today, we're unleashing one of the biggest, baddest builds in off-road motorhome history, the 2026 Komatsu D575A-3SD mining motorhome truck, originally designed as the largest production bulldozer in the world. The D575A-3SD has now been reborn as a monstrous expedition, rig built to turn entire landscapes into driveways. This isn't just a home on wheels. It's a mining-grade fortress designed for global domination. Asterisk on the outside. The Komatsu D575A-3SD motorhome is a beast beyond belief. Coated in industrial yellow with black steel armor plates across the flanks and chassis, it carries the presence of a military-grade machine. The front blade has been modified into a hydraulic cargo lift system, capable of moving heavy loads or creating a landing platform. Its custom front grille features triple-stacked LED light bars, tow shackles, a 50,000 Delby winch, and dual intake snorkels reaching above the roofline for deep water fording. Asterisk sitting on 63-inch reinforced mining tires, this rig towers over regular motorhomes. A full hydraulic suspension setup allows height adjustments and tilt leveling, while the tracks have been replaced with all-terrain wheel modules designed to support thousands of pounds without sacrificing mobility. A rooftop cargo bay holds satellite gear, solar panels, drone launchers, and spare fuel tanks for long-range adventures. Asterisk inside, the command cabin feels like something out of a sci-fi war movie. The two captain's chairs are armored and climate-controlled, with a panoramic windshield offering HUD displays, camera feeds, and diagnostic overlays. The dashboard is custom-fitted with flight-style toggles, digital readouts, and rugged touchscreen panels that control everything from terrain mode to battery levels and surveillance. Asterisk step into the living quarters, and the rugged theme continues, with luxury tucked beneath the surface. Heavy-duty vinyl floors, carbon fiber accent panels, and soft-touch matte black furnishings give the interior a futuristic industrial vibe. A collapsible sofa, modular dining area, and wall-integrated 60-inch 4K display turn the main cabin into an entertainment bunker. Asterisk, the kitchen setup is expedition-grade. Dual-burner induction, cooktop, convection oven, military-grade fridge, freezer, high-pressure water sink, and a UV filtration system built into the plumbing. Cabinetry is shock-mounted and fire-resistant. Asterisk in the back. The sleeping quarters include a king-size memory foam bed, dual ventilation systems, integrated weapon storage, and blackout tech for night ops. The wet bath features waterproof walls, a rainfall shower, vacuum-sealed toilet, and self-cleaning surfaces. Asterisk under the hood, or rather under the beast, is a 12-cylinder 3.2L diesel engine producing 1,750 horsepower and 3,200 pounds FT of torque, paired with a high-capacity planetary transmission and for WD conversion. The Komatsu D575A-3SD motorhome truck turns the impossible into a scenic route. Asterisk for more videos like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to The Car Truth.